bunch of birds, black birds that went through here. Gotta start filming a little early. Yeah, there's more over there. It's interesting, it's like a whole group of birds. Sorry for spinning the camera. Just gotta mount everything, get it all squared away. Bear with me. I hadn't filmed in a while. You know, this is kind of n'importe quoi right now, as they say in French. I hadn't filmed in a while because our Australian Shepherd passed away. So, unfortunately, did I? Might have lost a glove. It's been one of these days. Ooh, that is a Ferrari right there. Catch up. See it right there, the white, white Ferrari. Got that. Dang it, I hate when I misplace stuff. Kind of a chaotic. What the hell? I said it's just one of these weird days. Anyway, I relocated the battery temporarily. Oh, and I say temporarily, but I'm actually going to try to keep it here, at least for now, kind of in this general area. It does work better. It's actually nice not having, because it did make the handlebars feel weird. I gotta be honest. It's still a little stealthy, but maybe not as stealthy. I don't know. Surprising how many people. By the way, it's PM right now, so it's dusk. Surprised at how many bikes don't have lights. It's kind of weird. Crap, I hope I didn't lose. Oh, hang on a sec. I wonder if in my helmet? No. I wondered if I had the glove there. It's not. Oh well. Time for some new gloves. Or it's in my backpack. When I took the, that's where it is. When I took the stuff out. It's just so much stuff to think about. Anywho. But yeah, so that's what's been going on. It's just not been branched. Not been great. It hasn't been a great week. That happened last Friday morning. And so, anyway, that's what that's about. And then I'm going to get with Juan, the guy that helped me with the rear wheel and the sensors, and he's going to help me figure out what's wrong with the pedal assist. Generally, because we're both curious. I realize this bike's been a little bit of a fail, but it is still working, and it's relatively fun. I would summarize it like this: if you're looking for something, if you don't have the money to commute, this might be a bike like this might be worth risking, getting a cheaper bike, but it's totally up to you. You have to know someone if it breaks down. And then more than likely, you're going to have to upgrade some of the components like I've had to do to make it usable. I'm going to cover my mouth because this bug's been flying in. So, just be aware that yes, you can get a cheap bike, but it's not going to be great. It's going to work. And I'm going to keep riding this thing for a while longer, see how well it does. I've got around 300 miles on it right now. So it's still an enjoyable bike. It's not like it's a total pile of crap. It's just, it's rough around the edges. The funny part is though, if you listen to it, it sounds like silky smooth. So you just have to balance with what risk you're willing to take. Now, if you've got $2,000 because of the tariffs, right? Bikes are the good e-bikes, like Bump. The good bikes like Juice bikes and Rad, and there's others. You're gonna spend about $2 grand. By the time you finish with shipping and everything else, it's like $2 grand now. So those are amazing bikes, and they're gonna last you years. This one might last me years too, but I've had to throw some money in it, right? I've had to fix the pedal, I had to replace the pedal crank, the pedals, because those sucked. And then I had to get the sensors fixed, and that didn't cost much, but you have to know someone. I wouldn't have known at all how to fix that, so I would have had to probably go, well, do I save the bike or do I buy a brand new controller and a new motor and hope I can make that thing work? And it's just, you know, that would have been another, right there, that wouldn't have been worth fixing it, right? Then you really just got yourself an expensive pile of crap. So, yeah, I mean, at least it gives you guys some ideas. If you're looking to decide to pick a bike, I tell you the thing I miss the most, and where the thing that actually got me in really good shape, is a bike with torque sensing. The torque sensing is the one thing I miss the most. And it's really such a difficult thing to describe. I know I've droned on about this, but I'm telling you, that to me, if I buy an e-bike better than this one, it has to have torque sensing, or it's just, you're really missing out. And also it's how they programmed it. I think it's more than, I don't want to discount, I didn't get a chance to go down to the e-bike event that Juice was doing, bugs, because of my dog, but I really wanted to ask too, like the programming involved, because it's not just having torque sensing. I think it's obviously, nowadays, man, everything's hardware and software. You can't just throw hardware at something in solution. It has to be hardware and software. And where most companies fail is in the software. So in this case, the way they've done the software on reading the torque sensor really was genius, the way they got it dialed in. I'm going to slow down for this doggy here. Oh, what a cute doggy. Little puppy. Little puppy dog. Anywho, yeah, so the front light on this, last night I left late. It was actually quite dark. And this front light is kind of like, it mainly just tells people, hey, there's a bike facing you, so don't go in this lane. But it doesn't really illuminate too much. Gets the point across, not awesome. I have another bike light I'm going to be testing out. Plus I have my other one, which I'll probably throw on this thing this weekend. So I've got that as a nice strong backup. That freaking thing, boom, lights up my path nicely. So anyway, I just wanted to at least get one video in this week and let you guys know how I'm doing. So in general, we're doing better, and hope you guys are doing well too. And if you have any questions, I was thinking of doing a live stream one of these weekends, maybe this weekend, and just kind of you know, Q&A. You guys could ask questions if you want me to like zoom in on any one particular part, or you want me to why am I going this way? Made a super wide turn. You want me to go into any in-depth Q&A, queue that up, have you guys do that, and whatever I could do to help out. If I can show you the Rad, show you the good things about that. I don't have the Juice bike anymore at this point, but I could definitely tell you about my experience on that. I can also tell you about my experience on this bike, and we'll just kind of wrap it up right there. Let you guys go. Have yourself a good one. See ya. Bye.